Hey, what's up guys, TechTubes here, and in this video we are going to do the unboxing and review of this brand new OnePlus 6T. So without wasting time, let's get straight into the video. Before that, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more updates. So let's get straight into the video. So here we have the box of brand new OnePlus 6T. First let me give you the physical overview of this box by OnePlus. So here on the top we are getting a logo of OnePlus, and it says the OnePlus community, and here we have one more logo of OnePlus, and it's written, you can see OnePlus 6 and a small T on the top, and on the back some stickers, and it says Qualcomm processor Snapdragon. So in this phone we are getting a Snapdragon processor 845. And the new thing in this phone, we are getting a in-display fingerprint, which I am very excited to use. And it says unlock the, and it is hidden, so we will read that also. And here we have the pricing and all stuff. Here it is written 37,999. So you can buy this phone for rupees 38,000 from via Amazon, Flipkart. But today, these days, there is a sale going on Amazon, so you can buy this for 38,000. So now let's open this box and let's check the handset. So here is my unboxing knife. Let me open this up. Good packaging by the OnePlus, and as you can see the glowing 6 on the box, it is looking very good. And here we have a band type thing. It says the OnePlus community, as I have shown you this, and here we have the unlock the speed. So I think that the Face ID and the Touch ID in this phone is very fast, and we are going to use it. And now let's open this box, and I'm very excited to see the handset. So here we have the OnePlus 6T, and as you can see, let me take it out. So as you can see, we are getting a in-display fingerprint in this phone, and we are also getting a pre-applied what do you say, screen protector kind of a thing on this phone. And we are also getting a drop notch. Let me show you. Let me focus it for you all. Why this is not focusing? Just a second. So here we are getting a drop notch, as you can see, and on the back we are getting a glass back, as you can see, the dual camera setup, and the sticker on the back. Let me remove this sticker. And this plastic thing, the plastic kind of a thing, we are getting some important notes, and here we are getting an in-display sticker. So let me remove this also, and you can see the 6.4 inch screen and the glass back. Wow, it is looking very gorgeous and very sleek phone. You can see the screen ratio of this phone is 19.5:9, which is a very clear, and we are getting an AMOLED display, so it will be good. We will use it, but let's keep it aside and check. Let's check the contents given in the box. So here we have the box of OnePlus, and first let's check this, what all we are getting in this small kind of a box. So here we're getting a case with this phone, and I like this thing that OnePlus always provides a case for the phone or their handsets, and we have to keep it protected because we are getting a glass back. So we have to keep it protected from scratches and all. So we will cover it up. And yes, as you can see, the phone. In the OnePlus, you are getting a fingerprint on the back, but the difference between the OnePlus and OnePlus 6T is that you are getting now you are getting an in-display fingerprint in this phone. And let me put this aside. And here we are getting a small kind of a thing, small box you can say, with the OnePlus 6T, and very creative kind of a packaging. And here we getting a SIM ejector tool, and it says, and what is this? And it is a manual, you can say it is a manual paperwork. So if you want, you can read, and it says the unlock the speed, never settle. So let me keep this aside. And here we are getting some never settle things and all, and more paperwork by OnePlus. So it's good, nice paperwork and very creative type of things we are getting in this box. Now let's check more content. I think we are getting more a word from OnePlus CEO. So let's check it out. It says open from here. Wow, a new type of creativity by OnePlus, and I like this. So it's a note by the CEO, and yes, let me keep this also aside. And here we are getting a power brick by OnePlus, a large power brick, and we are getting a dash charging, which will be a damn faster, and it will be good for it will be providing us a good charging speed. As you can see, the power brick, and here we are getting a, what do you say, charging cable, and it's a cable type C, I think. Yes, it's a cable type C we are getting with this phone. And also we are getting a converter. We are not getting a headphone jack in this phone. This is the you can call this a disadvantage. We are not getting a headphone jack in this phone, but we are getting a converter, so it will solve the problem of the headphone jack. So now let's come back to the handset. So here we have the handset in my hand, and as you can see, it is looking very pretty and a very good phone. Let me remove the sticker, and yes, so it is looking very good. And here we have the so let me give you the physical overview of this brand new OnePlus 6T. So let me remove this cover. So here we have the OnePlus 6T, and on the top we are getting a small it is the noise cancellation mic on the top. As you can see, on the sides we are getting alert ringer type of a thing, alert slider, and down we are getting a opening for speaker and a microphone, as you can see. And on the sides we are getting this SIM tray and the power and the volume rockers. As you can see, we're getting the volume rockers. So here we have the phone, and on the back we are getting a dual camera setup with a OnePlus logo and a glass back, and a small it is a dual tone flashlight, you can say. We are getting a dual flashlight. So let me boot this phone for the first time. First let me apply the cover, and let me boot this phone up. It says OnePlus, powered by Android, and the hand grip of this phone is very good. I must say, it fits properly, and it's the first boot, as you can see. We are getting Oxygen OS in this phone. Let's get started. And here we have the OnePlus team conditions. So let me set it up and we will be back. So here we are ready with this OnePlus 6T, and I have booted up and I have set it up with my fingerprint also. So let me show you the in-display fingerprint first, and I like it. You can see the gesture of this phone is awesome, and it is very fast. And as you can see, the 6.4 inches screen. Let me reduce the brightness of this phone. So the gestures are very awesome, and the screen resolution is 19.5:9 ratio, and touch is very good. The phone is responding very fast, as you can see, very smooth. And let me check the software in this phone. So we are getting this phone out of the box Android 9, as you can see, 9.0 Android Pie, and we are getting a 6 GB RAM in this variant, and also we are getting 128 GB storage. And let's check the camera of this phone. Let's keep this power brick and let me show you the camera. So let me click some pictures. Oh, very fast. And as you can see, it is the quality of this image, the depth, as you can see, very good picture. Let me click one more with the dash logo. And here, as you can see, it is a very awesome photo. The depth, as you can see, it is very clear, and the light control is very awesome, and the stability is also very awesome. Let me show you the front camera. The front camera is also very awesome. So the camera is awesome, the software is awesome, and we are getting Oxygen, and some updates are also ready. So I will update this phone, and I will later do the gaming review also of this phone. And it is a very smooth, you can see how fast it is responding, and a very clear screen. As you can see, the never settle on the top, and the toolbar and all things. So it is very good. The battery backup of this phone is also very good. The charging speed also is very good. As you can see, the power brick of this phone. So the Snapdragon 845 we are getting in this phone, so it is pretty fast. And as I have shown you the fingerprint sensor, it is also very fast. As you can see how fast it is. Just tap and it opens. Let me show you one more time. As you can see, so it is responding very fast. And yes, so it is a very good experience using this phone, and I will use it more, and I will make one more video on this with a depth review and a gaming review also. And I will test it more, and I will also show you some sample shots taken by this phone in my next video. So this was an unboxing of this OnePlus 6T, which was recently launched, and so that's all I can show you in this video of a quick unboxing. So guys, this was the video. Keep supporting, keep subscribing, and please hit the like button and tell me more in my comment section what should I add. So bye guys, I'm MANIT KOHLI signing out for the tech.